The most important thing to keep in mind when choosing skincare products is their composition. The ingredients they contain must be as natural as possible. Even if we apply them externally and do not ingest them, these substances cross the skin barrier and enter the body through the bloodstream. This is all the more true for lotions and creams that we apply on the soles, as the soles have the highest degree of absorption. Few of us know that we have the opportunity to prepare our own cosmetics at home. The ingredients can be purchased from health food stores, and the recipes are not complicated. The basic ingredients are vegetable oils, beeswax, and essential oils. For the Heals cream, you will need only 5 ingredients: 2 ounces of wax, 2 ounces of shea butter, 2 ounces of coconut oil, 2 ounces of jojoba oil, 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Melt the first 3 ingredients on a bain-marie. Put beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, and jojoba oil in a glass bowl. The bowl should be fixed on the mouth of the kettle, without falling into the water. Stir occasionally until the pieces of wax have completely dissolved. As you work with wax, which thickens after cooling, it is not advisable to use a regular spoon. Use a wooden one. After all the ingredients have become liquid, stop the heat and add the jojoba oil to the bowl. Mix carefully and add the lavender essential oil. Stir one last time to blend, and pour the hot composition into a glass jar or metal box. You need to do this final step as soon as possible because the composition clots quite quickly. Leave the container open until the ointment cools completely and becomes solid. Then put the lid on and keep it in a cool place in the house. Apply the ointment in the evening, before bed, on previously washed and dried heels. This natural ointment reduces the discomfort caused by the sole's dry or cracked skin due to the moisturizing, emollient, and healing ingredients it contains. Lavender essential oil gives it a pleasant scent, with soothing effects, suitable for night sleep. It also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.